Hi everybody, thanks for coming back for another swatch video. You may be wondering why I have a book on the table, and I'm about to show you. So I recently did a live stream, I think it was still in August of 2024, where I unboxed a huge free makeup haul that I went and picked up. This was part of it, but this is actually going to be the swatch video for it because, sorry about my nails, that's just the kind of person I am. What? Look at that! It's like full book sized, which might be a little annoying if you're trying to fit it on a very tiny, like, small palette makeup shelf or something. But Fairy Tales, it seems to be called Storybook Cosmetics. And then Fairy Tales maybe is like the line of these. This specific one is apparently called Little Briar Rose. I think that's how that's working out. I've never heard of this before. Yeah, it was, so I don't know if you can read the text up here or not, but it was apparently created, this makeup brand, by triplets, and I don't know if they're still making them, but there looks to be some books similar to this on Amazon that may be face palettes instead of eyeshadow. There's an Alice in Wonderland one that I really want to get. I don't know if you can see because of the mirror. You can probably see my earring wall, but it actually says up here a Hans Christian Andersen quote. So other than being an animal nerd, I've been a book nerd. Second longest in my entire life. Makeup is probably my newest hobby. I just started getting into this in 2021, but this combines all the things, except the animals, really. But these colors look amazing. I love this format. I'm gonna hide it in my bookshelf. I may even get some more of these because it's just too cool. So let me go ahead and start swatching. I'm gonna go from the top left to right and then down like I normally do. Here we go. Okay, so I have some concealer on my arm because I'm having some discoloration and issues. I did a really bad job, so go me. All right, let's get these swatches going. The first one is called Briar Rose. Oh, it's a definite coral. Nice matte coral. Next one is called Spindle. I imagine these are all going to be fairy tale related. Either of these would make a really nice blush, actually. I think this one is called Talia. I have to look up which character that is. This is a beautiful shimmer copper. Very rich. And it feels very luxurious. Next is called Castle. Very pretty metallic slate blue. This should knock our socks off. It's called Prince. Yep. Whew, very pretty metallic royal blue, I'll call it. These aren't really in order from light to dark at all. They're just kind of random. This one's called Grimm, like Grimm's Fairy Tales. I must have something else. Yeah, I still got that bronze on there, so sorry about that. It's like a deep burgundy color. It's a little sheer, but that could just be my fingers. All right, gonna have to squish them in a little bit as usual. I thought I had plenty of room. This one's called Beauty. Oh my god, that goes on like a dream. Very pretty metallic. It's not quite as dark as the previous one. It's like a red violet. The next one, I'm not sure if it's going to come up. It's called Woodland. Yeah, it's really hard to see. It's pretty much exactly my skin tone. It looks a little fairer in the pan, but I guess it's a light color because I am light with cool undertones. This one's called Enchanted. Wow, okay, so they really know what they're doing with the metallic-y shimmers. That's like a gorgeous rose gold. Next one's called Fairies. Oh, wow. That's a pinky swatch and it came off that well. Oh, that is a beautiful, like, silver foil. Oh my gosh, I can't wait to put that, like, in the center of my lid with these blues. Oh my goodness, that's gorgeous. Second to last, we have a purpley color. It's like a mauvey, purpley pink thorn, it's called. This would also make a very nice blush. You could almost do a whole face here. And then before I run out of complete room, this is called Kiss. It's one of those mattes with a little bit of shimmer in it, and there's gold glitter. It's a very cool red, kind of a medium red. Oh, wow, so obviously my favorites are this silver, this like champagne-y rose gold, probably one of these blues as well. Although I like the idea that you can use some of these as blush. So I hope I will be recording some looks with it soon. I get a little overwhelmed and I forget to turn the camera on, but let me know if you've ever heard of this before. Again, this was given to me. I believe it's cruelty free, but it was given to me. I didn't purchase it, so I'll double check on that. Also check out the live stream that's now posted to my channel under the live section. That was really fun to do. There ended up being 95 products in that video, which is partly why I live streamed it, although I didn't know that would be the case at the time. So thanks for watching for this gorgeous little fairy tale palette. It's by Storybook Cosmetics, called Little Briar Rose. I hope you enjoyed these swatches. I know I did, and I can't wait to go check out that silver. And we will talk to you in the next video. Bye. Whoops. Called Little Briar Rose. Where are we here? This specific... Could we please? It's apparently off filter. So, other than being an animal nerd, oh no, it's still shaking. Is my head in the shot? I hope not. That would be really embarrassing. Am I already running out of room? Dear God.